be the maiden flight of the kit bash Seagull's model dual ace that was turned into a Mosquito. So we're going to take this one off. This will be the maiden flight. We'll see how it does. It's going up here, guys. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it off and we'll see how it does. Ready, Doug?
Ready when you are.
All right, here we go. Nice and smooth. Try to trim it out. Lots of elevator rudder. Elevator and rudder mix. Alright, we're good. Alright. Here we go. Coming around. That's good. It's super smooth. Low pass. Right before the storm hits us. And it's super smooth and fluid. Uneventful. Coming in low. See if we can get that there, Doug. Coming around. It's looking good. It's flying really good. It's got twin 46 FX OS engine in there. Standard receivers, nothing crazy. And it flies good. What do you think, Doug?
Yeah, come in slow this time. I've been trying to mess with the zoom a little bit. And I'm not fast enough.
Coming in slow.
All right. Let me.
Here it comes. We'll do one more lap, and then we're going to bring it in. Coming in. All right, I'm going to set up for one lap, and then we're going to set up for a landing before the storm hits us. Sounds good. There we go. Nice and smooth. It's an awesome flyer. Like I said, this was a dual ace, and the guy kit bashed it into a Seagull's model to a Mosquito. So I'm coming in for a landing. Here we go. We can't get a good landing. Go. That is the main flight of the kit bash Mosquitoes, British Warbird, twin engine, OS 46 FXs. Nice little quick flight. We'll have to do some more on it. We're not being chased away from the storms. And there you go. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And that's it. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of this airplane. Be the third flight. What do you think, Jim?
Looks good.
Just out here playing. Got a little extra going on, a little nitro going on. You ready? All right, here we go.
Taking off, Jay.
Taking off from left to right. This takes off so easy, man. That's half throttle right there. I'm gonna do a couple of low speed and then some high. Oh, you're fine. I'm just up here playing. There we go. I'm gonna come in low. Do a low speed flyby. How cool is that? Alright. Full throttle. This twin 46 FXs, you know, they pull this thing perfectly. It's not a powerhouse, but it doesn't have to be. That's flat level, man. Low speed, high speed, low pass. How about that? Coming in. Woo! Cooking.
Flirting with disaster.
Never hurts to flirt with disaster as long as you don't marry him. How about that?
Photo bombed. About a 300.
I love it. Fly with your friends, man. Fly with your friends. Let's see here. Another high speed, low.
Lost it that time.
So we clocked it and they said it was doing about 58 miles an hour, which is plenty.
63 for that one.
Was it 63?
63.
63? All right, I'll take it. More is better. But on the 63, you know, it doesn't have to be a fast airplane. That's not what it's built for. But it flies good. It flies like a sport plane, super smooth, buttery landings, sport flight characteristics. You're not gonna do anything crazy with it, you know. Vertical is not what you're trying to get out of this thing. But it's a scale monster and it flies good.
What's the wingspan?
The wingspan on it is 64 inches. And this was kit bash, so it was a dual ace and somebody got it and they completely just changed the whole arf that it was and turned it into this. And it's supposed to be a Mosquito. British Mosquito. Oh, that's cool. I'm probably gonna set up for a landing here. Landing! The cool thing about this airplane is, I'm probably gonna jinx myself, but it lands really good. Now watch me screw it up. There you have it.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. You know, I liked it so much, I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna land one more time. All right. I don't know what we're looking like on fuel, but we're about to find out. You like the bigger battery?
No, I mean, as far as time goes.
Oh, yeah.
How do you like flight with the bigger battery?
All right, here we go.
I think it's just going to cause me to experiment a little more with my battery as far as location.
Coming in. Leading off some.
It's hot.
Slows down good. Whoa! It got too good to me. I wasn't on the elevator.
Got cocky.
There it goes. You gotta be on the elevator. On the field.
I like the big battery.
It's got to be a CG thing, I imagine. You know, lighter should be better, right? You know?
You would think.
Take that walk of shame.
But you got a pretty forward position on it.
What do you think, Bobby?
I love it, man. All the weight is on the wings, so it's very easy. You got to be on the elevator when it comes in, because it will definitely tip up like that. And there you have it.